All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on crypto every day. My name's Austin, and in today's video, we have some major things to talk about. We're talking Bitcoin Cash. There's another update regarding their upcoming hard fork. Are you ready? We're talking Ethereum. There's another announcement that came out of DevCon 4. Have you heard about it? And of course, Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin, the end of the year potential December rally, and why one analyst, Matty Greenspan, has new information, why he says that we will see a December bull run. So let's get into it. And in question to you, do you even still believe that we will see a 2018 quote-unquote bull run? Does the word bull run make you sick? Are you nauseous? Have you heard that word so many times that you don't want to hear it anymore? And I get it. Believe me, I get it. It sucks. It sucks to see the market down for 11 straight months in a row. It sucks to see your portfolio drain. I'm in the same boat. We're in this together. But let me ask you a question. If we've gone 11 months of 2018, sticking together, riding this out, are we trying to give up now? We are so close. So many things are happening behind the scenes. Are we really trying to walk away? Guys, I have 3 news articles for us. You are going to like today's video, so one more news article won't kill you. Right, let's just check this out. Nearly 11 months into a bear market, we know that has seen the Bitcoin price take a 2/3 haircut from its all-time highs. The flagship cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, could be on the verge of a year-end rally. Okay? Matty Greenspan, senior market analyst at eToro, has been watching for a Bitcoin breakout for some time now, and he says that the cryptocurrency market will see a quote-unquote Santa Claus rally heading into the new year. And of course, we've suspected this for a while because not only in cryptocurrency, but, and as he says, in traditional markets, it's very common to see a stock rally leading up to the end of the year due to the increased activity in the private sector during the holidays. And where are we? And we've known this. This is Bitcoin in 2017. Usually by Q4, the end of the year, companies start making profits, people have money, and people put money into the traditional markets and especially in the crypto markets. Thus far, nothing, but we're not bitter. But why does he say that we will see a bull run in December? Well, he says, notably, Greenspan identified the looming Bitcoin Cash hard fork, as the catalyst for this rally, noting that the BCH price had exploded in advance to its hard fork, which is coming up in about a week. So let me just sum that up. He's basically saying that in the last 5 days or whatever, the market cap has rose about $15 billion, and that was led by Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash jumped in the last few days over $200 in preparation for this hard fork. People are FOMOing in, and he says that led the market cap to rise as well, and he's saying that's going to lead us into the bull run. Outrageous. The gains, this is a quote from him, the gains are being led by Bitcoin Cash ahead of the hard fork next week. It's kind of funny to see that after all this sideways movement, a possible breakout could come from a disagreement in the Bitcoin Cash community of all places. All right, I hope he's kidding. I don't know what kind of analyst he is, but if that was true, we would have maybe seen that with Basic Attention Token. They're still rallying because they're getting added to Coinbase, or they are added. We could have saw this with XRP. It rallied, at their conference when XRapid was launched. Guys, Bitcoin Cash, none of these altcoins lead the market. If anything, Bitcoin leads the market, and the whales lead the market, and I think the sooner everybody admits that we are mere passengers, we do not control the market, the whales do, I think we'll all get along a little better. Matty did redeem himself a little bit in the end. He gave him a little more technical analysis. He said, Greenspan tempered his bullish outlook with the qualification that he believes Bitcoin needs a strong breakout above its 200-day moving average, which is currently sitting at about $7,000, to truly put the bear trend in his rearview mirror. So hopefully he was kidding. He says that, and I'm no TA guy, but he says if Bitcoin can break out of its 200-day moving average, which is $7,000, that will be the real sign of some bullish territory. And just to put that in perspective, right now Bitcoin is $6,490. We'll make it. And the last time we saw Bitcoin at $7,000, that was all the way back at the beginning of September. Over 2 months ago, Bitcoin was above $7,000, has not reached past that since. But if we can get past that, the TA says that'll be a sign of bullish territory. Guys, we'll keep you updated. That's why you subscribe to this channel. But let's keep going. The real news coming out of Bitcoin Cash is there's more updates on which exchanges will support the hard fork. And just to recap, if you want the full story, check out my last video. But just to recap, it's either getting hard forked into Bitcoin ABC or Bitcoin SV. And while the outcome isn't clear, one scenario would see two separate cryptocurrencies arise from the fork. So potentially two could be forked if the community doesn't agree. But in the meantime, here's a list of every exchange that supports the swap. And here's the current status of the top 12 Bitcoin Cash markets. So the markets that are doing the most Bitcoin Cash volume. Here's a list if they are supporting the swap or not. OKX, support confirmed. Bit4x, support confirmed. Binance, we already know, support confirmed. DigiNext, no statement. Huobi, support confirmed. Upbit, support confirmed. Coinbase Pro and CoinSuper, support confirmed. Bitbank, they're not doing it, not confirmed. And the only wallet that has made any sort of statement about it is Ledger, and they're confirming that they are kind of in November 15th and the days after, they will kind of lock it down, and so you won't be able to trade your coins out of Ledger until it gets all resolved. But either way, I'll leave this link in the description below. Guys, we're keeping you updated. And many of you guys actually were asking me specific financial advice on what you should do with your coins, and I can't give you that. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I can give you is a list. And these are if you keep it on exchanges, these are the exchanges that will support them. Make sure you have it in there before the 15th. If you just have them in a wallet, in my personal opinion, I don't recommend, or you're not going to be able to really transact those, I don't think, on the 15th or maybe a few days after if those wallets are swapping. But as long as you have your private keys, I think you'll be okay. Okay, just don't give your private keys away to anybody, and should be fine. Last piece of news. Ethereum. We know they're trying to scale, and they can so far. Well, a new update and how they're scaling and how it will affect you. Efforts to scale Ethereum are growing more varied as one much anticipated solution encounters pitfalls amid its continuous development. So essentially, Plasma doesn't seem to be working. They're now going for snarks. Snarks? At the forefront of this transition has been Plasma. So that used to be the big thing that people were expecting, a concept widely heralded as Ethereum's best bet for short-term scaling. And they actually tried 5 distinct versions of the protocol. Doesn't seem to be anyone that sticks so far, and isn't proceeding as originally hoped. So, as Plasma slows, however, there's a new potential optimization in town, and the attention is being drawn to ZK snarks, a form of cryptography that most of us know from Zcash. And guys, I'll shorten this up. What are ZK snarks going to do for Ethereum? Well, essentially, Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum's creator, says that if they can get that implemented, it will achieve 500 transactions a second just in the short term for Ethereum. Some people are referring to this as the Snarknado. I'd watch that on Sci-Fi if it came on. But let me ask you something. What is 500? Is that good? Is that bad? 500 transactions? Well, to put that in perspective, right now Ethereum can do about 20 transactions per second. Bitcoin can only do 7. What are the competitors? Litecoin 56, Bitcoin Cash, since we're talking about at 60. Ripple, XRP can do over 1,000 transactions per second. And Visa, nobody's been able to beat Visa yet, can do 24,000. So if Ethereum can implement something, if they can get 500 transactions in the short term, it will keep them competitive. Of course, I mean, all this information is coming out because Vitalik Buterin just made all these statements and just spoke at DevCon 4, but he says eventually Ethereum will get 1 million transactions per second. Dare to dream. I'm rooting for you. That'll definitely help cryptocurrency as a whole. But that's it today, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, really, about cryptocurrency in general. I'll be responding to each and every one. And one more thing before you tune out. Guys, we have a Twitter. Feel free to follow us. I'm about to put a poll tomorrow regarding top altcoins. I'm not going to say anything yet, but make sure you follow us, participate in the poll that I'll be dropping tomorrow. Alrighty, team. Have a great day. We will see you tomorrow.